Hello. So now we are moving to the matrix multiplication problems. Okay. So if you know how to do the matrix multiplication, you can do any of these kind of show that, prove that. So lot of questions can be asked in matrix like that. So all these problems will be easy for you if you are crystal clear about the method of how to do the matrix multiplication. Okay. So here if A equals a matrix and B equals another matrix, then show that A plus B into A minus B not equal to A square minus B square. So we have lot of multiplications here. So let's start. A plus B. So A is 0 1 1 1 plus B is 0 minus 1 1 0. So the answer will be 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus minus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 0 is 1. Again A minus B will be 0 minus 0 is 0 itself, 1 minus minus 1, that is 2, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 is 1. So the addition and subtraction is the very important thing. You have to keep all the operations of addition and subtraction very carefully. Okay, so while doing these problems, addition and subtraction is very important. Okay, if you do a single mistake in any of these number, the next we just started, right? We have to do lot of operations. Okay, so if you make any of these numbers wrong, the whole answer will be wrong. Okay, so very be careful about the solving steps. Okay, also do practice more problems. Okay, so then only you will be, otherwise you will be definitely confused while writing the exam. Okay, so don't worry, just practice and do it. Okay, so now we got A plus B and A minus B. Okay, so these are the matrices. Now we'll multiply these two. Let's see how to do the multiplication. Okay, so first take the first row of the matrix A, then we will multiply these two terms with two column wise elements of the second matrix. Okay, so we'll take the first row, then we'll do the operation with both the columns of the second matrix. Then we'll take the second row and again we will multiply with the columns of the second matrix. So let's see how. First row, so 0 0 into 0 plus, okay, 0 into 0 plus second one 0 into 0. So the first term is over. Now again the same row with the second column, 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1. So we got two elements of the resultant matrix. Now take the second row. So we have operated with row with both the columns. Okay, now take the second row, 2 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Similarly, take the same row with the second column. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, now we got all the elements of the matrix. So this whole term is 0. Now 0 into 2 0 plus 0 into 1 also 0. Now here 2 into 0 0 plus 1 into 0 0. Now here it is 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 1 into 1 1. So 4 plus 1 5. Clear? So similarly we are going to find out a square. So this part is over. Now we are taking the right hand side. So a square means a into a. So matrix A is there in our question. Okay, so we have given with matrix A. So just copy that matrix. Okay, now we'll do the multiplication. Start with the first row, first column. 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Now take the first row, second column. 0 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Now take the second row, first column. 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Again same row with the second column. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Clear? Now our answer will be 0 plus 1 will be 1. 0 plus 1 will be 1. Again 0 plus 1 is 1. Here 1 plus 1, right? It is clear for you, right? Whenever a term multiplied with 0, there will be 0. So that's why this is 0. And this is 1, 1 into 1. And this is 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1 is 1. And here 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, again 1. So that is 2. This is our A square matrix. Similarly, we'll find for B square. Let's see the B square. So first take the row of the first matrix, multiply with the first column. So 0 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1. Again first row, second column. 0 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 0. Okay, now take the second row, first column. 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1. Similarly, second row, second column. 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 0. So the answer will be 0 plus minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 is 0. Again minus 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 0. So this is our B square. We have one more operation, that is A square minus B square. Okay, I wrote both A square and B square matrices. So from this, let's see the answer. So 1 minus 1, that is 2. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 1, that is 3. Clear? When 2 minus come, how to add it, everything we already discussed. Okay, so those who are watching this for the first time, Don't miss any of the sessions. All of them are very important and selective. Okay, so make sure that you are attending all the classes without fail. So just see, we are comparing both LHS and RHS. So from the answer itself we can say that a plus b into a minus b not equal to a square minus b square. Both are different. Okay, so hence proved. Let's see another problem. Show by an example that for a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0 and ab equal to 0. Okay, so for matrix A we can consider any matrix. Okay, it's our choice. Take two matrices A, B such that both of them are not 0. Okay, so this is not a 0 matrix because it contains numbers -4 and 2. B also, it is not 0, right? There is a trick. If A and B not 0, to make AB 0, what you have to do is make the first column of the matrix A, the first matrix, make the first column 0. Similarly, for the second matrix, make the second row 0. Okay, so for the first matrix, make the first column 0, and for the second matrix, make the second row 0. Okay, so likewise construct two matrices. Okay, so you can easily solve it. So let's do AB. A into B, 0 minus 4, 0, 2 into 3, 5, 0, 0. That is equal to first row, first column. So 0 into 3 plus -4 into 0. Then same first row, second column, 0 into 5 plus -4 into 0. Take the second row, first column, 0 into 3 plus 2 into 0. Again same second row and second column, 0 into 5 plus 2 into 0. So what is the answer? Our answer will be 0 into 3 is 0, -4 into 0 is 0, 0 into 5 is 0, -4 into 0 is 0, 0 into 3 is 0, again 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 5 again 0, 2 into 0 is 0. So hence proved. Clear? Keep this trick in mind so that you can solve these kind of problems. Clear?